Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are baking Herero bread. It's my first attempt, so if there's any mistake, correct your girl. I'm having my ingredients there: yeast, baking flour, salt, sugar, and food coloring over there. And then this one, it's lukewarm water. Okay, food coloring is the small bottle, right? With a red lid over there. And then that's my container. I'm going to pour my baking powder in and add my ingredients, aduvunga, whatever, okutakanu. Yeah, then we stir it together. So let's start now by adding the baking powder. So I'm adding baking powder, baking flour. Baking flour. I think the proper name is baking flour. All right, 1 spoon of salt, the big one, and then some. Yeah, I'm going to add sugar now. So I added 7 or 7 spoons of sugar. And now I'm going to stir this together, and then from there I'm going to add the yeast, fingertip. Who told me that the thing is okay? It's a yeast, all right. Yeah. There we are. I'm going to add 2 of them. So from there, I'm going to stir my ingredients together now. Stir them together. Olunga okumixanu gunda uhiaeta your lukewarm water. And then from there, if you see that they are properly mixed, I'm just sharing my experience. I'm not teaching you guys because seriously, I have no idea of how to make Herero bread. I'm trying to see if the water is too hot or lukewarm or it's fine. Then I pour the water in my flour. Yeah. So now I'm going to stir it. Tudunga toho mushoku shitavi hapo okutaka no batete tushokudunga ukudunga ureto. Yeah, oshimedunga kumixa vinambia vihe mumwe. I'm not teaching you guys, but I'm sharing my experience. Shwagu no kumna oshebadunga kana katiti oeta your food coloring into I don't like just Omboroto shivarash mehenji hena kavara toho katiti na uthoku mehesho vinayo mwasho munene uthoku tona po kavara nu po vi hapo. Then yeah, can you see? So the bread will be like having that yellowish coloring or yellowish look. It seems like I added a lot of water and now the thing is too watery, and I am going to add some baking flour and then we'll continue by mixing. But it seems like mutumbazunda omevambatiriro mengi posi yokushava amuthu akombere imbopu yakaandira bomatuterekere akuchavekeri foma momwano if it's junkies or whatever it comes out the results, we're gonna eat it. Definitely we're gonna eat it. Yeah, so that's it guys. Me takari okudunga kasho. Yeah, all I'm trying to do now, it's like mixing everything together, and it seems like I need to add more of the baking powder because it's still soft. It need to look like a little bit hard. But the steering pad, it's not very easy. Yeah, you need to have some strength in your arms, in your muscles, and girl with my nails again, guys, your problem. So that's it. It seems like I'm running out of baking powder, but I think I have some in my cupboards. We will see. Okay. There was another leftover there that I used for something else the other day. Finished again. I'm running out of baking powder, but I think there is another one in the cupboard. So let me drink a little bit of water and mind my own business and mind my business of baking my bread. All right, water. Yeah. So I called my boy to come and help me with the steering part because it really needs strength in your arm. You have to be strong. It's not easy. Kuvunga ngonu. Whatever they say, kutaka man. Kumano ete tusho kuvunga. Ete mbambu mehe ete. Mimunjinu, you came to my channel. You know me by this time. So we are tackling the thing there. Mutu naitwa lunga twamana matupa hokushitavi. I'm putting on my baking trays. I don't have proper baking pot or baking what because sometimes I just think of something. I know I don't have all the equipments or all the things that I need to use, but I prefer to use what I have on that moment. I cannot go to the shop and buy baking pan for bread baking pans or whatever. I'm just going to use this one that I'm having here. So those are my baking trays. I'm putting, don't worry about my whatever if it's looking like it's a lot, that gear, they say it's a gear butter here because I bought it from Tesco. We bought it from Tesco. So that's why I put a lot of it on the first tray because I'm dividing it into two of them. So now, Omboroto, can you see how it's looking like, guys? Don't laugh at my work, please. But let's cook. So I'm going to put it on the oven and leave it for a couple of 30 to 45 minutes for it okuthura katiti momununu okushashibya no kuthura ekwe kuyakithe dhuko. Yeah. So now I place them in the oven, but I will put just only we will wait until maybe after 45 minutes, and then we will put the oven on. For now, so I'm cleaning my place over here, but guys, forgive me because I didn't record the part where I was putting my this whole mixed flours in my baking pan. Because I used my phone. I was talking to somebody and then I forgot to place it back on the stand where I used to put when I'm recording. So sorry for that. Now I'm cleaning, tightening up, pegging things away, and then from there we're gonna do what? Start baking. I can't stop laughing because, guys, this is my bread. I added some the gear butter on top. They say it's gear butter. So this is the Congo that's where the bread tastes so nice. So the other side tokombanda my baking tray, both of them. So that's it. I'm alone at home, don't mind. So Omboroto, now I'm having some tea with my bread. That's a final result. I'm enjoying it. It's so nice. It's tasting. Everything. It's so yummy. Thank you guys. I'm so proud of myself. So guys, that's how I enjoyed my bread. Later at tea time, I'm enjoying myself. Thank you for watching this video, enjoying my bread. Have a lovely day. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye.